Sam? Do we have Sam? Sam? Hello, Sam. Hi. I'm Kelly. Okay, go ahead. Have a seat. Nice to meet you. Oh, just have a seat right on that stool. Oh. Okay. You can just stand if you want. You can stand.
Okay.
Where did you come from, Sam? Why are you so sweaty?
Oh, I just jogged here. 18-minute mile down pat.
Nice. Okay. Well, actually, what position did you want to come here for, Sam, to get interviewed?
Yeah, I was trying to be a physical fitness instructor. Yeah.
Oh, okay, Sam. Well, I'm sorry, but this is actually the Human Resources office. We are looking for human resource officers, but I'll show you the door. No, I'll show you the door, Sam.
No, I wanted to be
I'll show you the door, Sam.